What is up, guys? Dylan here. In this one, I'm going to talk about a good side hustle that I got going on that you can get started for free. And like, I don't mean like free, like sign up for a free trial of this and then in 30 days they bill you for this. Not like, this is legit free way of making money, and it's through Amazon. So it's legit, right? The way Amazon merch works is it's kind of like Redbubble and Printify and Printful and all these other print on demand places. But it's a little different, being Amazon, right? The big boy, right? It's a little different. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons of Amazon merch. Because trust me, there are some cons to it. It's not all good. But it is all free. And that's what really matters here, right? A way of making money that you don't have to spend money to make, right? There's zero risk involved in doing this. In this video, I'm going to kind of show you my Amazon merch store. I'm going to show you what I use to do my product research, and I'm going to show you how to get started, because this isn't just a sign up and get started thing. You kind of have to request an invitation, right? And it can take up to 15 days. I got accepted 10 days. But with that, let's jump into it. All right, guys, what I'm showing you now is my screen right here. And what this is the Amazon merch website. This is where you would go to get signed up, right? That's the web address. And then down here on the page, you scroll down just a little bit, and right here, you would request an invitation. We'll just go ahead and click it real quick. And basically, well, see, I can't do it because I'm already on there. But I'll just go ahead and show you what my store looks like. This is kind of what it would look like creating it. Now, this is the big thing that got me. When you first get on, you get one product that you can upload. You get one. Now, that's one design you upload for one product. So you make one design, you upload it to either one type of t-shirt, one type of cell phone kit. You pick one product, right? Then you pick one location to send it to. One product, or one design, one product, one location. All right. You would upload your design right here. Click your design, blah, blah, blah. This is an old one I did. Shit takes forever to load. All right, as you can see, this says you have 4 remaining available products to publish and 0 new submissions for today. What that means is, when you first start out, you'll be on tier 10. Now, on tier 10, you only can have 10 products listed in your Amazon merch store. Now, the 0 submissions, you get 1 submission a day. Now, the way to move up, right, from one tier to the next, you have to get sales. To move from tier 10 to the next tier, you have to get I believe, 25 sales. Yep. You have to sell at least 25 items. All right, so see, once your design's uploaded, you can edit it down here. And with this, you know, you pick your colors. Now, real quick, something I've learned is you do not want to choose all the colors that would look good on, right? You would think, okay, this design shows up pretty good in a lot of these colors, right? So, I mean, let's just pick all the ones that you can read it clearly in, right? No. You see, what that does is something called analysis paralysis. And what that is, it's a theory that if somebody's presented with too many options for something, they'll end up choosing none, right? So it's saying that when somebody sees this in 10 different colors, they're going to be overwhelmed by it and end up not even buying it at all. So what I like to do is I like to tell them what they want to buy, you know, show them what they want to buy. White, boom. I want this men, women. You can put youth. If it's youth, it's a little bit more restrictions because it's for children, obviously. But this one should be fine. And I like it in pink. 2, maybe 3 colors. 3 at most. Boom. Down here, you see the price. Now, what this is, .com, US. UK, Germany, France, Italy, maybe China, Japan. These are all the areas which you can list your product in. But like I said, we do one design on one product, which this product is the standard t-shirt. None of these, right? One design, one product, one location. Now, for me, I live in the United States, so I'm going to sell this in the U.S. Now, down here, it's automated, so if you don't change this, it's automatically going to list your product for $19.99. Which, that's not bad. You can change it whatever you want. You want to list it for $24.99? That's fine. And now what this is your estimated royalty. If this product sells on Amazon, you would get an estimated $9.01 for 20 if it's sold for $24.99. Obviously, that's kind of a lot, especially starting out. I would not recommend listing a product that high. If anything, you kind of want to undercut people. Like, so you would, before you would even list this, you would go do product research. And we'll just say $16.99. I always want to end mine at 95 or 99. A lot of people say that helps. They got statistics saying it helps and stuff, whatever. Fun fact though, people in China believe that the number 88 is lucky. So if you ever see a product listed and the last two digits are 88, 9 times out of 10, that is a person that is from China. They believe it's lucky. If only it were that simple. All right. Now, I kind of skipped around a bunch, but before we list this product, we would pick the location, right? If you are trying to list your first product on Amazon merch and you are having trouble, this video is for you. I had trouble listing my first product on Amazon merch. It took me probably 45 minutes of doing form reading to figure out how to list the first product, right? Because for a while, they wasn't allowing products to be listed or shipped in the U.S. and China, and because of COVID. There's a bunch of shit going on because of COVID, but now it's kind of opened back up. So remember, one design, one product, one location. So we got our design, we got our product. Now time to pick the location. And this is how you do it. You're going to want to click this box. Boom. They're all gone. Now, standard t-shirt. That's what we did. We want in the U.S. So US is .com. Click. Scroll down. Let me move the little screen recorder box. Continue. All right. Now you see all these will be grayed out. And that's what you want to see. Okay. Now you would do your design title. Your title design. This is what it's going to be sold as. Real quick, guys. Real quick. You got to watch with your title and in your description and in your bullets. You got to watch the words you put in there. Doing so, you cannot use the word t-shirt, shirt, anything talking about clothing. You cannot use that in there. It will come up and say, we highly recommend you not use this. If you do use it, it just ain't going to go through and you're going to waste your one submission for the day. Yeah, I'll get into that in a second. This shirt right here. This is a great example because this shirt right here, when I submitted this, it got denied 3 times. And you get one submission a day. If it gets denied, you don't get that submission back. You got to wait another 24 hours for the next day's submission to try again. It took me 3 times before I figured out why this shirt was getting denied, why it was getting rejected. It's not copyright. I created this design myself. Not all the way myself. I mean, I stole the idea, but I made it my own. And I'll show you that in a second, how to do that. But this is a big thing because nobody else is talking about this. What it was is I used the word COVID, right? If you use COVID in one word, or even broken up into C period, O period, I period, VI, ever how you spell COVID, right? It will still get rejected. Man, what'd you do there? I'll tell you what I did. I put the design title, right? The shirt says, baby, it's COVID outside. I put the design title was, baby, it's cold outside. And then when I did spell the word COVID, I put CO-VID, and it kind of broke it up. Your brand, you can make the brand the same for all your t-shirts. So when somebody clicks your brand name, all your t-shirts pop up. because whatever you set the brand name for that shirt, when they click that name, only shirts that you submit with that same brand name are going to show up in that store. So it could be beneficial to make different ones. It could trigger the Amazon algorithm to show it to more people if you use kind of the name of the shirt in the design title, in the design title and the brand name. If you kind of make those kind of similar, it will get you more views. But if you're trying to build up to this long term, I would recommend building a brand, right? Like my brand, all my shirts have the same brand. It's DH Designs. Simple, right? My first name, last name, DH, just my initials, DH Designs. And when you would click on that, boom, it will show you all my shirts in my store. And like right now, they're not selling, but if later on down the road, not if, when they start selling, I'm going to have a brand. Like if people like what they buy, they're going to see what other products are being sold by the same person. So what I want to show you now is how to do product research. What I use for my product research is free, right? Because I don't pay for shit. I don't believe in paying for shit. Merchdata.io. Don't put .com. Put .io. Don't put .com. When you get to the page, it says get started for free, right? Don't worry. Not going to ask for a credit card, none of that shit. Sign in. How do you want to sign in? We'll sign in with Amazon. Fuck it. Now listen, you do only get like a free trial, right? So I use my Facebook for like 2 weeks, and then I got an email saying, hey, if you want to continue to use this, you got to pay. But I quit signing with Facebook. I started signing with Amazon, and it's letting me do that. So, you might only get a week each way, but, when this week's up, I'll switch to Google, and, I got like 3 other Facebooks I can use. So there's a way to do this without ever having to pay for it. This is the truth. So these are the niches. These are what's popularly being sold, right? Now, I don't want to run this video up too much, but basically you want the sales rank to be like under 1 million for whatever you're trying to sell. So, baby, it's COVID outside. This is where I got the idea from, right? This is where I got the idea for my cat shirt. I took these designs and I ripped them off and I made it my own. Like, when I stole this product, because this is the one I copied, this was at like 100,000, right? So it's popping off. But you'd view the listing, and if you want to steal this design, you kind of make it your own, right? Pretty good one. That's a really good one. They're selling it for $18.95. Now, notice how they spelled the name, so it would not get rejected. CO-VID with periods in there. They do not put the word t-shirt into their title name. Whatever you put your title name as, Amazon automatically adds t-shirt to the end of it if you're uploading a shirt, so don't worry about that. Now, boom, we'll click their brand just to show you and see. This is everything that's on their brand. Notice how they uploaded different variations to this. All this is by the same person. All 4 of these designs, 5, 6, 7, all these designs are by the same person, right? And none of these are getting sales. So you can see what they did. They uploaded the same design onto many different products of clothing, many different types of t-shirt. But the only one that's selling are the t-shirts. Yep. So look, they got selling designs on everything, but the only thing that's really selling is t-shirts and a sweatshirt. So you might be asking, well, Dylan, if we can list, all these products, all these different products, how do we know that t-shirts are the best? We don't. I just know from my personal experience, t-shirts sell better than anything. You can make a better profit from selling t-shirts than you can anything else on Amazon merch. Now, what I used to do my design on Amazon merch is Canva. Now, Canva is free. But if you want it to be good, which you kind of do need it to be good because you need to do transparent backgrounds, you sign up for a free trial, and 30 days they will bill you, but just, unsubscribe before that 30 days is up and you won't be billed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. But not only give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. I'm a growing channel. We're at 10 subscribers. We're trying to hit 1 million. So, I stay uploading content daily. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys found this helpful, if you guys have any experience with Amazon merch, or if you guys just have any experience with print on demand in general. I would like to hear some success stories or honestly some failures. I'd like to know what it's really like out here. I'm still new into this. I hope you guys will come down this entrepreneurship journey with me.